Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a moving platform for your 2D game, how to jump on it and how to ride on it. Let's create our project from the scratch, so you could follow the steps and see how it's done. First I add a background sprite and stretch it a bit. Then I add a building 1, set its order in layer to 2, so it's rendered in front of the background. Position it at the left side of the screen. Add a box collider 2D to it, so character can walk on it. Edit it, so it outlines building's rooftop. Then I add the second building, set order in layer to 2, and position it at the right side of the screen. Add a box collider 2D, and edit it the same way. Now let's create a moving platform that will be a cloud. Add cloud sprite. Position it between our buildings at their roofs level. Add a box collider 2D to it and edit it a bit. Cloud needs a script to move from one building to another. Here it is. First we have some variables that help us to perform such movement. So if cloud X position is greater than 4, which means that cloud reaches right building, then move right variable is set to false and cloud should move to the left. If X position is less than -4, then cloud should move to the right. So cloud will move continuously from one building to another. Now let's create a character. Add cat sprite to the scene, set its order in layer to 5 for example. Add circle collider 2D, so cat can walk on other colliders. Add rigid body 2D, set gravity scale to 2, collision detection to continuous, and freeze the rotation. Cat needs a script to walk, to jump and to ride on the cloud. Here it is. It's pretty simple one that provides walk and jump functionality using rigid body 2D reference. And a couple of important things happen in onCollisionEnter 2D and onCollisionExit 2D methods. So when cat collides with cloud, it becomes cloud's child and is moved along with it. When cat jumps off the cloud, onCollisionExit 2D method is invoked and cat obtains freedom and can move wherever it wants. Pretty simple. Add this script to cat and add cloud script to cloud. Now we can hit play and see how it works. Cat can walk and jump and can ride the cloud, jumping off of it at any moment. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, see you next time.